Fever fans and those of you joining us on feverbasketball.com, this is what it's all about. There's right now about 100 or more people here on the streets of the Conseco Fieldhouse right outside the west side of the building. We're about a half hour before Larry Bird's free tickets will be given away inside the Fieldhouse. It's your time to get down to the Fieldhouse right now, 10 o'clock, all day. Free tickets courtesy of Larry Bird. That's in the balcony. We've got great seats available lower level and the club level as well. We look forward to seeing you tonight. Let's move our way to the WNBA Finals.
Big smile.
You take that video feature. That's rude.
Well, that's what the period
Yeah, I heard that.
A lot of time.
What's that thing, man? He's doing stuff.
And I saw when I was like, Larry Bird.
I was apologizing.
Right.
Okay,
Everybody gotta make a buck.
Oh, that's not bad.
Oh, I know.
we went to the WNIT. Hey.
Fever, number one.
Right.
Free Fever tickets. Do you want some? So,
That was actually a good point. I was trying to figure out who got
Yep, Larry Bird.
Fever.
go Fever.
Go Fever.
Wait, Fever. You didn't win.
GC all the way.
Go Fever.
Fever.
Hey, my wife saw you. My wife saw her. She said, "Just jump out the car." She just jumped out.
Go Fever.
Fever.